an awful lot of those trees, the very old trees that might be left now, might be just coming to the end of their lives. So the window for us to find the last, let's say, couple of unique varieties is closing, and so that's why we'll continue our conservation work.
We have managed by growing organically and feeding the soil back, really taking care of the soil. You know, we take so much from the earth. You know, the earth provides us with food, with energy, with clothes. So it's really important to give back to the soil. What we do here is the kind of a living seed bank. So we're growing them out, they're adapting, we're spreading them out, you know, packing them up and sending them off to people. People all over Ireland and beyond are growing some of these foods. There is an art and a science to it, but it is very easy. We wouldn't be here if our forefathers and mothers hadn't saved seed and taken the seed forward.